Hello everyone, this is Ankita Berde. Once again, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Now we are dealing with the subject for the second year D Pharmacy as per the new PCS syllabus, Community Pharmacy and Management. So in that there is one query regarding the question concept of community pharmacy. So in that you can write down this first definition. Community pharmacy is also known as retail pharmacy. It is the type of the pharmacy which allows that public access to their medications and advice about their health. This is, see, you have to write the answer point wise. This is your first point. Then this will be your second point, that is, it is a place under the direct supervision of the pharmacist where the pharmacist is actually involved in the dispensing and the compounding of the medication. Then what are the another names of community pharmacy that you can write down in the concept, that is community pharmacy. It is traditionally known as a chemist. Then common language, it is a retail pharmacy or medical store, and which also sells the OTC products, that is over the counter products, and it provides the prescription filling services directly to the public. Then see now, this is the community pharmacy. Then this is the concept of community pharmacy. Then hospital pharmacy, see, another question is there. Define hospital pharmacy. So in that you can write down this definition. So up to see, starting from this, that is the community pharmacy, and up to this you can write it down to the public. So you can write it down. Then now see, after that in this answer also you have to write down under the concept of community pharmacy, that is the community pharmacy, it is the prime source of medicine for the patient. The drug and cosmetic products and devices manufactured by the pharma companies, they are made available to the community pharmacies through state distributor, district distributor or wholesaler, and the community pharmacies through and through the C and F agent, म्हणजे clearing and forwarding agents, that is the wholesalers. Then private pharmacies are the first and only source of the healthcare for majority of the patient. Then community pharmacists are considered to be the most accessible health professional to the public. This you can write down, that is the availability of the community pharmacists. Up to this you can write down under the concept of community pharmacy. And see the definition of the community pharmacy. In that also you can write down this community pharmacy, retail pharmacy, public access to public, their compounding and dispensing take place, you write down. Then see the definition of hospital pharmacy. So hospital pharmacy, it is the organization or department of the hospital that manage the procurement, storage, preservation, then packaging, sterilization, compounding, preparation, dispensing or distribution of medicines in the hospital. This is the definition of the hospital pharmacy. Okay, this is the community pharmacy. So now you may clear about what to write in the concept of the community pharmacy, that you write down under the concept of community pharmacy this definition, what is involved in that community pharmacy, that up to the directly to the public. Then under this you have to write down the point wise, that is community pharmacy, it is the prime source of the medicine for the patient. So that everything, that is the private pharmacy, that everything you have to write down up to this community pharmacist, up to this you have to write down for that. Then the definition of community pharmacist is also important. So the community pharmacist or drug specialist, it is the professional who is in direct access to the public and whose duties are required by the public and the patients, and they are working in the community pharmacy settings, and they are having the either degree or diploma holders in the pharmacy. They are the qualified professionals. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can ask me directly, or you can put in the comment section also you can put your answers. And if you want to interact with me more, then follow me on Instagram, Ankita Berde 18. Okay, so thank you for fully watching this video. Happy learning, stay tuned.